So Amazon and Google finally making up, finally shaking hands, finally getting back into whatever. But this is good news for everyone in the streaming community. So YouTube and Amazon officially back on good terms, and they're gonna start supporting each other as far as applications and devices. And this is gonna be great for us because we're gonna have to do less walkarounds to get content to us. So this video is gonna be really short. I'm gonna be reading from The Verge. I will link that article in the description of this video. So titled, YouTube is back on Fire TV and Prime Video launches on Chromecast starting today. So this article is from July 9th, so this is obviously 2 days old. So YouTube is officially back on the Fire TV device. It's almost a year and a half since Google pulled the apps as a part of the lengthy fight with Amazon. So additionally, Amazon Prime Video streaming service is also launching today with support for the Chromecast and more widespread Android TV devices. So good news for everyone. No more having to go through your browser or installing this third-party app or whatever the case is. You can now get the official app from your Amazon store, and same thing for the Prime Videos. You can go to the Play Store and still get the official app. So according to Amazon, the YouTube app will be available on the following devices: the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Cube, and the Fire TV Stick Basic Edition, along with Toshiba, Insignia, Element, Westinghouse Fire TV Edition, and Smart TV. So those are the list of the devices, and below that, Amazon promises that more Fire TV devices will be getting the YouTube app in the next coming months, along with support for YouTube Kids and YouTube TV. So this is a big one, guys. I think it's beneficial for both companies, obviously, but to me, Google's going to benefit more. So one of the top questions I receive on my channel is, how do I get YouTube TV to work on my Fire Stick? There's so many Fire Stick users out there that actually has the service that can't get it to work properly. And yes, I do have a workaround, and I'll go ahead and plug and link this video in the description as well as the comment section. But what they want to do is be able to receive regular updates, not worrying about patches, not worrying about if this app was tampered with. So now they know that in the next couple months they will be essentially getting the official app from their app store. So it goes on to say that notably absent from the announcement is the Amazon's Echo Show devices, which was excluded when Amazon and Google first announced the deal earlier this year, and still has no official app. So Google's own smart display like the Home Hub and recently released the Nest Hub Max do have YouTube support. This is just a quick update on something that I know I've been following for the past year or so. You guys been asking about, and just a lot of different questions. Why can't I watch this, or why can I use this on this device? So this is good news, and like I said, I can't wait until they add those additional devices. Now, one thing I should mention, guys, and this is from the official Android TV homepage. One thing I should mention is that yes, a lot of devices do have Android TV or version of Android TV on it, but there are only certain devices that are certified Android TV. So a lot of the Chinese boxes that has Android TV, yes, it works, but the support for it might not be there. So these are the certified Android devices that's in the US, guys. So we do have Air TV, Hisense, NVIDIA with the NVIDIA Shield, of course, Philips, Sharp, Skyworth, Sony, as well as the Xiaomi, which does manufacture the Mi Box. So we can click on this to see Android TV global partners as well, and you can kind of see all 56 devices here, guys. And the reason I'm going over these devices is that to set the expectation that not all of the devices that you own that has a version of Android TV on it will be getting this update. So you definitely want to see if you have a certified Android TV, and if you do, you should be getting all the updates and the new applications when they do make their way over. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of the two tech giants who really finally shaking hands and making up. If you guys have any questions about this, drop in the comment section below. Also, let me know what you think of this new update. Is this beneficial to you? Is it something that you really don't care about? You kind of gotten used to making your way around to get your content one way or another. Is this big for you, especially if you're a YouTube TV subscriber? Let me know what you think. Drop in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up on this video. Share this video if you think it might help someone else. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.